Welcome to the Inner Light channel. This channel is for curious people seeking motivation, meaning, wisdom, clear guidelines, and insights on the topics of awareness, self-improvement, and healthy living. In this channel, I share videos containing summaries of meaningful texts, books, wise advice, and other important information that helps you to understand yourself better, improve, and change. Life can sometimes feel like a labyrinth of darkness filled with problems, troubles, and ignorance. But instead of pointing fingers or blaming others, the environment, the best way is to look at yourself and understand that only by improving, changing yourself, you can change the world around us. It is also important to take responsibility for your every decision or action, as this will lead to the corresponding results. It is worth asking yourself, how can you grow sweet fruit from the bitter seed? Indeed, we hold the power to either let darkness into our lives or cultivate inner light. Whatever decision we make, there must be balance in everything, because without darkness, there would be no light. However, sometimes it is too difficult to walk alone on the path of learning and self-knowledge. Sometimes it can be challenging to see your own inner light. I really understand you if you experience challenges, difficulties while improving. Change is not easy. Sometimes it can even be overwhelming. But with the right knowledge and awareness, we can use problems and hardship as a path. For that reason, the idea to create this channel was born as a pillar for your movement forward. If our content resonates with you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay updated with our latest posts. I wish you patience and stability in your journey of your personal development.